A physical quantity is a property of a material or system that can be quantified by measurement. A physical quantity can be expressed as the combination of a magnitude and a unit. For example, the physical quantity mass can be quantified as n kg, where n is magnitude and kg is the unit. यहाँ पर n जो है वो मैग्नीट्यूड है, जैसे कि 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, और kg is the unit. There are two types of physical quantities. Physical quantities की दो types होती हैं. First is fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities cannot be expressed in terms of other quantities. फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज़ को दूसरी अदर क्वांटिटीज़ में हम एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते, जैसे कि लेंथ, मास, टाइम एक्सेट्रा. सेकेंड इज ड्राइव्ड क्वांटिटीज़ कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज़. फॉर एग्जांपल स्पीड, वॉल्यूम, डेंसिटी एक्सेट्रा. A fundamental unit is a unit adopted for measurement of a base quantity or fundamental quantity. For example, fundamental quantities length and its unit is meter. Mass, its unit is kilogram. Time, its unit is second. Electric current, its unit is ampere. Temperature, unit Kelvin. Amount of substance, mole. Luminous intensity, candela. A derived unit is an SI unit of measurement derived as a product of one or more of the 7 fundamental units. For example, force is the derived quantity and its unit is Newton, and 1 Newton is equal to 1 meter kilogram per second square. Derived quantity example is area and its derived unit meter square or square meter. Derived quantity volume, derived unit cubic meter. Derived quantity speed, velocity. Derived unit meter per second. Derived quantity mass, density. Derived unit kilogram per cubic meter. Derived quantity concentration. Derived unit mole per cubic meter. Derived quantity mass concentration. Derived unit kilogram per cubic meter. A scalar quantity has on magnitude and is completely specified by a number and a unit. Examples are mass, that is of maybe 2 kg, volume 1.5 liter, and frequency 60 Hz. Scalar quantities of the same kind are added by using ordinary arithmetic. A vector quantity is one which has both magnitude and direction. One of the simplest vectors is displacement. It has an associated distance, that is magnitude, and direction. For example, if we have points A and point B, then displacement AB is a vector quantity. It can be conveniently represented by a straight line joining capital A and capital B and the direction indicated by an arrow. Distance has only magnitude but has no particular direction. Next is displacement. It is the shortest path covered by the object when person goes from directly A to B. It has a particular direction as well as magnitude. Therefore, distance has no particular direction but has only magnitude, so distance is a scalar quantity. Displacement has magnitude as well as direction. Displacement is a vector quantity. Distance. It is the longest path covered by an object. It is the shortest path covered by the object